Hey guys, Dexter here from Dexter's workshop, the guy with the messy desk. So today I've decided to make a small review that I'm sure it will turn quite long about some end mills that I've bought from Romania from an online store. So this one is a single flute with a special profile, and if I remember well, it's quite recommended for plastic and acrylic and soft material. It's single flute, 3.175 millimeters in diameter, and the tolerance is quite okay. Now try to show it you here. Let's see. So we have 3.17. It's the best my caliper can do actually. It's quite enough. Why I bought them? Because they were cheap, like very cheap. It was like €2 a piece. I bought this one, a single flute with a special cutting profile, and this one, which is an end mill double flute or dual flute that I'm going to use with some aluminium, and this one I'm going to use it for some acrylic and see how it performs. For this kind of price you can't get any better, in my humble opinion. €2 a piece, and they seem to have a good quality, a good cutting edge. It's not bad. Those were bought from a web store here that is located here in Romania. It's called Ardu Shop, and the guys do have some really good prices. When I'm in need of something that I need it fast, I always place an order, and they will send it same day delivery, same day, and it will arrive at my place in the second day, so it's quite good. And also they will deliver in Europe, and I will show you how they will perform. I don't know nothing about it, and it will be a surprise for me too. If something goes wrong, well, it will go wrong live. I will not edit it. If something goes well, you will see it with your own eyes. So stay tuned, be right back. So this particular moment we are going to try and cut at 0.6 millimeter per pass, using let's see, 12,000 RPM with a 300 feed rate, and I have to say that I'm impressed. If it will it will work like this, it will work on virtually any type of aluminium. Let's see. I'm speechless a little bit. Just wow. Just wow. The finish is nice. The finish is it's excellent. The finish is beautiful. I I don't get that finish from my full carbide. It's very nice. Let me show you. Let's see if I can see this. Let's see. Okay, the finish is just beautiful. I have nothing to say with this one, really. And for aluminium, and it's quite gooey. This type of aluminium is quite gooey, and the cut was beautiful. And also, I wanted to not to clean everything after each pass, so I clean it after each pass. Not to clean it, but I clean it after each pass and added a little bit of W40 on each pass. But that was it. No cooling, no constant airflow, no nothing. And the finish is beautiful. Everything is beautiful here. The quality of the cuts it's very nice. So guys, if you want to give it a try, you can buy those end mills from ardushop.ro. You'll have the link in the video description and stuff like this. I don't have what type of data to give you about those, because as I said, they are Chinese. I'm sure they are Chinese because it's written in Chinese on them. Yeah. But they perform excellent. They perform excellent. And a €2 a piece, that's a go for me. I don't think I'm going to use carbide for anything else but special milling operation, like special materials and stuff like this. This and the other one for acrylic is all I need for all my project. Thank you guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video and the other one, please subscribe. I will try and keep my channel updated with all infos and stuff like this. Thank you again for watching and have a nice weekend. Bye guys.